This is the Spigen Protection Case for the AirPods Pro 2. More specifically, its charging case. Designing with precision, it features a matte black finish with a carbon fiber accent. In this video I will unbox it, guide you through the installation and explore the extras Spigen includes. Why did I choose this case and did I discover any quirks? By the way, this video isn't sponsored. If you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive into the unboxing. Alright, this is a protection case for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation here. And this one is from Spigen. They have the air cushion technology. They have hybrid polymer technology so that they protect your AirPods very well. And the precise product number is ACS 05482. Okay, so nothing special. Let's open the packaging here. You can open it here. And you have here the protection case. So this is the top. And then you have the bottom here separately. Plus there is a carabiner here. As you can see, it has the Spigen logo on it. And the material is matte black, I think. The quality is very high. Alright, let's put this aside. Let's have a look at the case. So here is the upper part of the case. It's very sturdy and pretty thick. And the main part of the case, as you can see, you have here the button you need to connect the AirPods via Bluetooth. There are some openings for charging it here for the speakers, and the top side you just put on. So I would suggest let's do this. So we take the AirPods Pro 2 and put them directly in the case. That's very easy. And also you use the top of the protection case and put it and press here on the top. So you can see here, you can still open it. Oh, there is no difference. And you can open and close it very easily. So there is no problem, but the case seems to protect the AirPods Pro Gen 2 very well. So it's a very sturdy and hard case. I like this. Yeah, maybe one additional thing. The color is black, matte black with some carbon style parts on it. As well on the back side here. And as you can see, the openings are perfectly cut out. Also, you can use your loop here. And also you can see the light here. So that's perfect. Plus you can use your carabiner here. Simply put it in here and then you can use it right away here. You can put it on a backpack or something else and they are protected there as well. Alright, as you can see, there's not much in the package, but I really appreciate that Spigen included a carabiner here. It's strong and big enough to attach it to almost anything you can imagine. The case itself feels sturdy and I like its simple minimalistic look. I've already dropped it accidentally while reaching for something in my camera bag and it slipped onto the floor. If you watched last week's video here, where I reviewed Apple's AirPods Pro 2 in detail, you might remember that dropping them gave me a bit of a panic attack. But this time it was different. It's kind of weird to say this, but actually felt less worried. When the case hit the floor, I didn't hear that dreaded "uh-oh, expensive case cracking" sound. And speaking of cost, this little protector for your AirPods Pro 2 runs between 20 and 24 bucks depending on Amazon discounts. Right now it's on the lower end, but you can check the current price using my Amazon affiliate link down below. Honestly, I think it's a fair price for something that protects a pair of AirPods Pro 2, which still cost around 220 bucks. What else? Oh yes, the case is compatible with both Lightning and USB-C variants, so you can use either charging option. Another cool feature is the built-in strong magnet here right in the back, making it compatible with MagSafe chargers if you prefer wireless charging. However, I usually charge mine with my Apple Watch charger. As you can see, no matter how I positioned it, I couldn't get it to charge with my Apple Watch charger for the 9th generation. So this might be a downside if you're someone who's all about wireless charging and specifically relies on your Apple Watch MagSafe cable. Another thing I noticed is the issue I mentioned in my previous video. If the AirPods Pro's 2 case falls at a certain angle, the AirPods themselves can pop out. Unfortunately, this case doesn't fix that problem. It would have been great if Spigen added a magnet to the front flap here to give it a more secure magnetic closure. Is that possible? I think so. Maybe it's something to consider for the next generation. Spigen, if you're watching. One thing you will notice immediately is that the case adds some size and weight, but honestly that's an issue with most every phone or gadget case. Devices look great on their own, but once you add the protection, they tend to get a little bit more bulkier and lose some of their sleekness. And yeah, I get it, it's a trade-off, and you have to choose between safety or the original style. Your choice. And as for everything else, I think it's covered. The case fits perfectly, it never came off unintentionally, and the quality is really high. I'm going to keep using it, and since I mostly charge my AirPods with a cable, I won't face any issues until I get a stronger MagSafe charger. What do you think? Is this case worth it? Would you buy it, or do you know of a better one? Let me know in the comments and let's discuss. That's it for my short but sweet review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it so more people can find it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews. Oh, and if you're in the mood for more, check out this video. It's worth watching. Stay healthy, take care, Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next one.